Very good morning, students. Yes, take out your computer book, and today we will start from chapter 1. So, chapter 1, the name of chapter is Input, Output, and Storage Devices, right? Yes. So, basically, what is a computer? So, a computer is a machine that works on electricity, right? Yes. Computer is a machine that works on electricity. It can be compared to a magic box that can do a variety of jobs. Computers are not confined to offices only, right? They can be seen everywhere around us, like malls, schools, hospitals, shops, banks, airport, railway station, etc. And computer work very fast and give 100% accurate results. Okay, and definition of computer is a computer is a machine that accepts data and instruction given by the user, processes them accordingly and give meaningful result. Okay, yes. And next topic is working cycle of a computer. So starting from input and ends become output. So input, processing, and output, right? Yes. So parts of a computer is input devices, processing devices, output device, and storage devices. So these devices are connected with each other through wires. ये सारे connected रहते हैं एक दूसरे से through wires. A computer performs various tasks with the help of these devices, right? Yes. So storage devices, example of storage devices is storage device is like CD, right? And input devices, example of input devices, keyboard, mouse, microphone, etc. Keyboard, mouse, yes. And processing devices, CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. And output devices, monitor, scanner, printer, etc. So what is input device? What is input device? Input device. So what is input device? The devices through which we enter data and instructions are called input devices. So write the definition of input device. The device through which we enter data and instructions are called input devices. Right? Yes. The most commonly used input device is the keyboard. Example is keyboard, mouse, microphone, etc. What is the use of keyboard? So a keyboard used to input data and instruction into the computer कंप्यूटर में जो भी इंस्ट्रक्शन देते हैं या फिर इनपुट डेटा करते हैं वो थ्रू द कीबोर्ड. ओके, एंड स्टैंडर्ड कीबोर्ड हैज़ 104 कीज. A keyboard has 104 keys, which can be divided into 4 groups. First one is typing keys. Typing key, function key, navigation key, and control key. Yes, so total keys are 104. And mouse, a mouse is a handheld pointing device with 2 buttons on its top. It is used to control the movement of the pointer, to select an object and open folders. And a mouse is also used to draw pictures. Okay, so thank you so much class and have a nice day.